Welcome to Hoyist.com. This is Mo, the founder and CEO. So I have started a playlist in which I will be trying to teach you how you can start your own web hosting business. So let's get started. Now in today's video, we are going to see how you can create packages in your WHM. Okay. So let's get started. Before getting started, I just want to walk you through with our reseller hosting services. If you go for our reseller hosting, we are starting and just if you scroll down, we are starting at just $4.99 per month. We are offering 50 client account, unlimited NVMe, 4 GB of RAM, unlimited email accounts. Inodes are unlimited. Like suppose if you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering unlimited inodes, and 4 GB RAM is also an add-on at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering 4 GB RAM. Okay. Then next is we are offering 3-month discount on 2 or 3 year purchase. If you go for 2 or 3 year billing, your 3 months will be free of cost. Okay. Like suppose you will get an extra 3-month discount. Okay. Next we are offering free domain name. And if you go for next our reseller hosting, we are offering free WordPress manager, free website builder, free cPanel light speed is also free, email filtering, SSL certificate, auto SSL, and all SSL certificates are free. Okay. We offer free malware protection. We offer free website migration. If you have hosted your you are hosted already at any other reseller hosting provider and you want to migrate at Hoyist.com, you can just open a customer support ticket with us after purchasing the plan, and we will migrate your whole reseller hosting accounts. Okay, as per our terms and conditions. Next is we are offering optimized WooCommerce. Now this is a feature at Hoyist.com that 99.99% reseller hosting provider don't offer. Okay. We offer free WP toolkit and our servers are completely optimized. Like if you want to offer your client subcategory web hosting such as WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, you can offer them with the WP toolkit add-on. Like if you go for any other reseller hosting provider, for example, Namecheap, if you go for WordPress, if you go for Name Hero, ChemiCloud, or any other reseller hosting provider, they don't offer WP add-on, WP toolkit add-on. Okay. If still they are offering it as an add-on, and they charge about $5 to $9 per month to add this add-on into your reseller hosting. Okay. Next is we offer developer-friendly reseller hosting like SSH access is enabled, Git support, Bash, Terminal, Laravel, Ruby, Python, Node.js, Django, MongoDB. Like if you and on-demand backups is another feature at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, on-demand backups are not available. 99% of web hosting product don't do offer on-demand backups, but we offer on-demand backups as per our terms and condition. You have to follow just them. Okay. Next, we offer resources usage, the report, Ruby version selector, PHP workers, which are cron jobs. They are available and unlimited. Okay. Next is 99.9% uptime, multiple PHP versions, auto SSL certificates, 24/7 server monitoring. Like these features are not available at Hoyist any other reseller hosting product, but at Hoyist we are offering this feature as a free feature. Okay. This is a guarantee. If you go for any other reseller hosting provider, they are not offering. A few are offering, but they are offering this as an paid add-on. Okay. Like if you want to offer your client Node.js web hosting separate category like Node.js hosting, Ruby hosting, Python hosting. If you scroll down with to our my menu in our to the footer menu, you can see here we are offering also subcategorized web hosting. The internet reseller web hosting is another web hosting. Radio hosting is another hosting type or category. If you want to purchase those, we do offer internet reseller hosting, but for right now we are on. Let's come to our point. Next is we offer a reseller hosting advanced plan at just $10 with 200 client account. Agency and business plan come with limited client account, and agency plan come with the 500 client account. Now we are offering 4 GB of RAM and free domain name. Now this is a guarantee. If you go for any other web hosting, they will not offer you free domain name with this pricing structure. And if you go for monthly basis, still I'm saying their pricing will be double. Like they will be offering 10 to $20 to $30 per month on a monthly basis. Okay. But if you go for Hoyist.com with monthly basis, your domain, your billing will be same. And if you go for yearly or 2 or 3 year billing, system, your domain name will be free. Okay. So I would suggest you to look check our reseller hosting plan. If you haven't choose any other reseller hosting product, and if you choose and you are stuck with that reseller hosting product and you want to migrate, just visit our website and you can open customer support ticket. And right now we have a WhatsApp customer support also available on. You can use this icon to access our WhatsApp customer support. Maybe this customer support come to an end within a month, 2 months or 3, I don't know. But right now we have free WhatsApp support customer support available. Okay. So let's get started with our video's topic. Now in today's video, we will see how you can create, delete and manage packages in your WHM. Let's log in into our client account and we will see this procedure in cPanel WHM. And if you go for login into our WHM. Now this is the interface of WHM. If you haven't seen WHM like cPanel WHM, this is how cPanel WHM look like. Now you just need to search for your packages, okay? You can search for packages at here or just you can cut it. And then from here you can, open this menu, but I will select this to, short our time. Okay, let's get started. Now, first step is how to add packages in your WHM. You just need to click this option called add a package. And now you have to actually name this package. Like if you want to offer your client to many type of web hosting packages, like at Hoyist.com, let's take an example of our web hosting plans. Okay. Now let's take an example of our web hosting plans. If you go and scroll down a bit down, we are offering 4 plans: starter, then pro, then turbo, and then business. Now our web hosting is cloud and this hosting is also cloud hosting. Okay. Next, if you want to offer your client web hosting plan like starter plan, you just need to name it web hosting starter plan. Okay, if you can name it like this, or you can name it like web hosting pro plan, web hosting whatsoever you want. Okay, like web hosting pro plan, cloud plan, turbo plan, business plan, deluxe plan, or any plan. Okay. Now I will name it as web hosting starter plan. If you want to offer your client, if you purchase our reseller hosting, we offer Node.js hosting also. If you want to offer your client a separate plan or category base, you can offer them Node.js hosting starter plan. Okay, you can name it, but I will suggest you, if you are going for subcategory, you can just name it like this: hosting starter plan. Okay, this if you will use this, you just need to create 4 plan. Then you can link this plan with the WHMCS, and you can you can limit your time. Okay, but still, if you want to add here, like if you want to offer Node.js hosting, you can name it like Node.js hosting starter plan. Okay, but I will go for just web hosting starter. Next is you have to provide the disk space for your reseller hosting, client account. Like if you want to offer at Hoyist.com, we are offering 50 GB of RAM with our starter plan. Okay, you have to paste here the right amount to offer your client 50 GB. Now this is the old configuration. Like these are 1024 MB in a GB in the cPanel WHM. Okay. If you want to offer them exact 50 GB, you have to calculate this with 1020 into 50, and your a total will be the about 50 GB. If you don't want to go for the hassle, I will suggest you to go as as simple as you can. Okay. Now this is the 50 GB of cloud storage that we are offering right now. Okay, the next is bandwidth. Now I will suggest you to leave bandwidth as unlimited. Like this is based on the reseller hosting product, they are offering unlimited. Basically, unlimited bandwidth mean like if you want to limit their bandwidth to 10 GB or 30 GB, what it will do, it will limit their visitors on their website. So if you want to limit your client bandwidth to 10 or 200 or 300, 10 GB or 20 GB, if you will limit this, their website traffic will also be limited. Okay. Next are FTP accounts. The FTP is the best add-on at cPanel. Basically, FTP is a server where your client can access and use it as their backup server, or a server where they can use to upload files on your cPanel remotely. They can connect this with their cPanel. Now, if you don't understand, I will suggest you to keep it as unlimited, because this actually doesn't mean, mostly people do usually use 1 or 2 FTP account, but leave it as unlimited. This will be actually as an add-on feature with your reseller hosting product. They will be happy that you're offering them unlimited FTP accounts. Okay, but there is no use case. 99% of the time, there is no use case of FTP account. Okay. Next is max email accounts. So these are the webmail account you can allow your client to create in their web hosting. Like for at Hoyist.com, we are offering 3 client account, three email accounts with our starter plan. If you want to limit this to 3, you can just limit this to 3. If you want them unlimited or 10, 50 or any, you just need to put here the amount, and those account will be limited with the package. Okay. Next is mailing list. Okay, the mailing lists, these are actually list of mails per their email. I will suggest you to keep it as unlimited, because your client would not like this feature if you will limit it. Okay. Next is MySQL databases. Now I will suggest you to limit this feature if you want to limit your client and want them to upgrade with your web hosting. Like if you will not limit this feature to 3, 4, like with our web hosting, we are offering here 3 websites, which means client is only allowed to create 3 websites. If you go for compare, compare plan, on the compare plan, we already told that we are offering 3 SQL databases. If you will not limit these to three, your client will create unlimited databases with unlimited, website on their subdomain, and this will, going to cause an issue to you. Okay, so I will suggest you to limit this to the number of websites you are offering. Like we are offering 3 websites, so I will limit this to 3. Okay, let's see subdomain name. Now at Hoyist, we have in our starter plan we are offering 3 websites. One is based on the primary domain name we use in their account, and the other 2 will be just based on their subdomain name. So what I'm going to do, I will set this subdomain name to 2, and then if you go for Part-2, and I will leave the add-on domain name as it is. Now add-on domain name are basically the domain name your client can add and use them to create a new website. If you will leave it to unlimited, they can create unlimited website. Okay, if you will leave to restrict this feature to 1, like if you will limit this, they can actually create 4 websites now. Like one on their park domain, one on their add-on domain name, 2 on their subdomain name, and 1 on the primary domain name they are using. If you will limit this to 0, then your client will not be able to add an extra domain name, and they will be able to create only 3 websites with their web hosting you are offering them. Okay. Next is park domain name. Now these are the basically domain name people use to park. Like for example, somebody got a few domain name like same domain name in a different extension. Like at Hoist we have a multiple extension like hoist.co.uk, guys, hoist.uk. So when somebody actually search hoist.uk, it redirect hoist.uk to hoist.com. Okay. So if you add this park domain name to your cPanel, the cPanel park domain name will redirect to the primary domain name. So if you want to leave it, I will suggest you to, for the starter plan, leave it to 0. But if you don't want to, if you want higher conversion, I will suggest you to leave it to unlimited. So I'm going for 0 right now, but because I want my client to upgrade to a bigger plan, like a good plan, okay, like pro or turbo plan, so I could also want a good revenue. The maximum hourly email domain relay. This is the most important feature that you have to provide here. Like if you want to limit your client emails, you have to limit them exactly. If you want them to upgrade to your web hosting, I'm going to limit this to 50 emails. Like what does this actually mean? This means your client will only be able to, if they are using automation or anything, they will be only be limited to send 50 email with their web hosting. Only 50 email per hour. Okay, after 1 hour they can send again 50 email. If you set this to 400, they can send 400 email. But I'm telling you guys, if you will limit this up from 4 to 500, but it will send your and all the other email with the same IP address to the spam folder of Gmail or Hotmail or any email. Okay, the best is to limit this as much you can. At Hoyist.com we have limited this feature to 50 with our for our starter plan, and for our pro plans, that turbo and business plan, we have limited this to 400. Okay, so I'm going for 50. Now these are the failed email, maximum percentage of failed or deferred messages or domain name. Now these are the emails that actually go send out. Like if you have limited these 50 emails, okay, then what it actually means, like if you limit this feature, domain names, emails per minute per hour to 50. After this, the 51 to 51 to 151 emails will be limited. Like these all will be deferred messages, and they will send to you as a primary email. Like your client is sending extra emails, and you can actually create a terms and condition to actually ask your client to upgrade. Otherwise you can suspend their account, because this is actually causing issue to you, not to them. Also them, because they have a limited feature, they have actually growing website, but they have to upscale their plan. If you will not limit it, they will continue on their monthly basis. Okay, like if you go for our web hosting, our most client don't actually upgrade their plans, and their website are running at a good place, and we ask them to upgrade, but they don't. So it depends upon how do you work. Next is max quota per email account. Now these are the email account storage you can allow to your client. I will suggest you to limit it to 1 or 2 GB. At Hoist we have limited this to 1 or 2 GB. First just starter plan, and then we are offering unlimited. So unlimited doesn't mean you are offering unlimited for this will be a load on your web hosting. This will be a storage on base of their web hosting. Okay, like if you offer them 50 GB of storage, their total storage, maximum unlimited storage will be 50 GB. Okay, but if you will not limit this feature, they will not delete their emails, and extra email will cause an issue. So limit this feature, I will suggest you. Next are cPanel. Now if you are familiar with cPanel, if you have used cPanel, you can add team member in the cPanel, like allow them the access to use cPanel. Okay, if you want to add this, you can allow, and I will leave it as simple as it is. Okay, next is dedicated IP channel access and digest authentication at account creation. I will suggest you to leave it as it is. checked or unchecked, it's all dependent upon you. Next is dedicated IP. If you think your client will upgrade to dedicated IP, check this option. If you don't, then don't check this option. Leave it as simple as it is. Okay. Then next is shell access. If you're not familiar with shell access, don't go ahead offering this service. If you are, if you don't have a knowledge of shell access, do offer. But I will suggest you to check this option because most of the client ask for shell access. If you are offering subdomain, subcategorized web hosting like Node.js, Python, Ruby, you should allow them. Okay. Next is CGI access. CGI is also on, access to the backend of the server. So I will suggest you to check this option. The next is cPanel theme and then feature. cPanel theme is based on the reseller hosting product you are using. At Hoyist, where you're just using Jupyter theme, maybe we will be using different theme with our services. But right now, been with the last 1 year, we are offering the same theme. Okay. The next is feature list. Okay. If you want to, charge your client feature with the feature list, I will, create a video with a feature list. If you will use a feature list manager, you can extra an amount like you can earn literally 20% more than, or maybe 100% more than your web hosting. This is the most great feature about cPanel that do other panels don't offer. And I'm going to tell you guys, you can earn literally 100% more amount, 100x amount more than offering this feature. Okay. So I will leave this option as it is, and I will create another video in which we will discuss feature manager so you can earn an extra amount of money. Okay. The next is WHM reseller setting. Now we are just a reseller, so we can't access this, and I will create a video after this whole playlist on how you can sell and you can manage master and alpha reseller plans. Okay. Next is WP Toolkit. WP Toolkit, as I told you, is free with our reseller hosting. If you will limit this to 100 websites, next was if you will limit this feature to 3 websites, I will limit this feature to 3. Your client will only be able to manage their website with WP Toolkit 3 website. Okay. Now next option is auto install WordPress upon account creation. Leave it. Don't check this option. This is going to cause an issue to you. So don't check this option. Okay. So these are the feature how you can create your web hosting plan. I will just click on now. The next option is you have to just click on add package. Okay. Success your plan. Now package is not actually added. Now in case if you want to, you will again, check this, it will come up with an error that the plan already exists. Now what you have to do, if you want to edit it, just click on the edit a package button. You can click on this and then click on the edit. And at this interface, you can edit this package. Like if you want to, change 3 website to 5 website, email to 5 or unlimited, you can do change these. Okay. If you want to limit the features here or anything here, you can do it. Okay. Next is delete a package. If you are, if you want to delete a package, what you can do is you can just click on this package. You just go ahead and check this package. If you can just click on delete and it will be deleted, but I will not because I will be going to create a full playlist in which I will be trying to, give you a whole roadmap how you can start this, web hosting business. Thank you so much for watching. And in the for the next video, we are going to see how you can earn an extra amount of money with web hosting business with the feature manager add-on. And this is the best thing I'm going to tell you in the next video, that you will be able to create, earn a very good amount of money offering add-on to your client. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.